Hey, Bola here of MiBolaLoca. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. And thank you guys so much for joining me today as we make this cute little pin box. So in this box, I've already decoupaged and painted it. We'll do that in another video. But for supplies, you'll need a box, decorated or not. Glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, some fabric, and some fiber fill fluff. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to measure the inside of your box. My box here measures 5.25 by 3.25 on the inside. The outside of the box is 6 by 4 by 2, and those are all in inches. So I went ahead and I cut my fabric 10 inches by 6 inches. Then you can see here that I am folding it so that it'll fit inside of my box, because we want that box to just be covered with that fabric. So then I'm gonna open up my fold just to kind of show you how I folded it, and you're gonna snip those corners. Okay, so those corners are gonna help you to place the fabric into your box, and they're gonna kind of be your guides as well. So once you snip all 4 corners, then we can start using our glue gun to glue the piece of fabric into the bottom of our box. And what I've done is I've started on the narrower end, the shorter end, and I'm just going to place my fabric into the box. You can see that guideline. So that guideline is going to be the top of the lip of the box. Then I'm going to press my fabric and kind of fold it neatly into those corners. Then once I have that situated the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and add some glue via the glue gun to the bottom and sides of the fabric to hold that in place. Then once you have that in place like this, you can go ahead and glue the outside, so that outside of the fabric to the box. And I just want to say, be careful guys, glue guns are hot glue and they can burn you, so be very careful. And if you're accident prone like me, you might want to consider wearing some finger protectors. I'm not here wearing any because I'm just using a minimal amount of glue, but those little nibs on those glue guns get very hot as well, so just be careful, take caution. And you can see that I am gluing the back of the fabric onto that side wall of the box. So with this part, you can just kind of use your fingers to press that fabric in place. Again, take caution for the hot glue. And then once you're done there, you will move on to working on one of the longer sides. You'll just fold the fabric in on one of the corners, draw it across, make sure it's all nice and flattened, or fold it in the way that you would like it to look, nice and flat on top. And then once you're good, go ahead and glue that down, and you're going to repeat that on the other long side, leaving the short side open so that you can stuff your box with the fiber fill or the polyfill to get the cushion. So now that we have the 2 long sides and 1 short side glued into our box, we can stuff. And I just grabbed a pin here out of my little pen drawer to assist me with getting the fluff nicely distributed. So you can use, you know, if you have a tool, not an awl, but a dowel rod or something that you can use, your scissors if you're careful, pen, just to help you get that fluff nicely distributed into the little pocket that we've created. And then once you're satisfied that you have enough fluff, then you're just going to fold that fabric into itself, bury it into the side, if you will, and then you'll glue it down. So here I'm just kind of making some little triangles, and then I'm folding it, and then I'll fold it again, and then I'll stuff it into the side so it's nice and neat, just like you would a nice gift wrapped box. Then we're going to just use a little bit of our hot glue, again taking caution not to burn ourselves, and hot glue that last side down. And there you have it, my little crafty creators. We have created a cute little pin cushion on the inside of our little box. And now you just gotta stick your pins in there. Then you will see that you stick your pins in there, you can close that box. The box that I have also has a little clasp so you can lock it so that you don't drop them out. And it's really, really cute. And again, stay tuned for the decoupage tutorial where I'll show you how to go ahead and decorate your cute little box. But for now, you guys, here we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Please consider sharing this video with any of your other crafty or sewy friends. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.